To fix Microsoft Teams not opening on a device, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix Microsoft Teams not opening. To fix Microsoft Teams not opening, make sure that your device is connected to any kind of strong Wi-Fi or data. So if your device is not connected to any kind of strong Wi-Fi or data, then that may also be the reasons that you are not being able to open it. And if you are still connected to Wi-Fi and data and still not opening, then you just need to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds. So turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds and check if it is still opening or not. So if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to make sure your app is up to date. So go on Play Store or App Store and you just need to search for the app called Teams or Microsoft Teams and see if there is any kind of update available for the app. So if there is no any update available, then you just need to go back to settings, and but if there is any update available, simply update the app and reopen the app again. Go on settings again and search for the app called Teams and click on the option of storage and click on the option of clear cache to clear the cache of the Microsoft Teams. So by doing all of it, you will be able to fix Microsoft Teams not opening. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.